Want to know how to check if a number is a strong number in Java? So, a strong number is simply a number where the sum of the factorials of its digit is equal to the number itself. So, a classic example could be 145 because 1 factorial plus 4 factorial plus 5 factorial equals to 145. So, in Java, in this code right here, we are taking input first up by taking Java util scanner, and now once that is done, for every digit, we'll calculate its factorial using a small loop and keep adding it to the sum variable. So once all the digits are processed, we compare this sum to the original number. If the match is a strong number, so if it doesn't, we just simply print out it isn't a strong number. This simply teaches us how to use loops inside loops, work with factorial logic, and apply modulus arithmetic. So again, there's simply copy of this code right here. We have used different while loops with various numbers and scanners as well. So strong numbers are a great way to explore number properties in a fun way. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.